Hi, my name is Tamika Morris. I am here to announce our second annual scholarship season. This year, there are over $10,000 in scholarship opportunities for students across the state of Mississippi. And just like last year, we are asking you to submit a presentation to YouTube discussing the topic provided. Then copy the link to your presentation in the designated area on the application. Everything you need to get started can be found on the application itself. So I encourage you to thoroughly read and understand all the requirements, use the provided resources, and avoid waiting until the last minute. Allow yourself enough time to practice and prepare for even the smallest details. Remembering to dress appropriately is important, but you should also consider things like clarity. Consider the speed and tone of voice you are using throughout your presentation. It is important that the viewer is able to understand you. It may be helpful to practice recording a few times to become familiar with the clarity of your presentation. Consider noises. Although all noises cannot be prevented, you should allow yourself enough time to record, review, and re-record if necessary. You may be surprised by the noises that could have unknowingly been picked up during the recording of your presentation. Lastly, consider the viewer. Keep in mind everything the viewer will see. Your background, your posture, and even the camera angle are all important things to consider in the overall quality of your presentation. Try to find a background that is as neutral as possible or relevant to the content of your presentation. To achieve a more eye-level view, you could try propping your camera on objects. This will ensure that you have good posture throughout your presentation. Another helpful tip that you could use when recording your presentation is after you press record, take that time to ensure that the angle of your camera is correct. Take a step back, then take a few seconds to gather your thoughts before you actually start your presentation. Once you have completed the presentation, before approaching the camera to stop the recording, try to remain still for a few more seconds. These seconds used to make any adjustments can be later trimmed, leaving your presentation with a more seamless and overall professional look. This tip is also helpful if you mess up during the recording of your presentation. Instead of stopping the recording completely and risk moving the angle of your camera, try to just pause, regather your thoughts, and start again. Remember, this is a presentation about you, by you, so we want you to be creative. Deadlines for all presentations are March 31st. If you have any questions, you can contact us at info@projectimpact.ms. Being sure to include your name and the scholarship you are applying for. Well, that's it. Good luck. We look forward to seeing you.